So today I'm going to Buthak, or maybe, sorry, I will check it later. And yeah, so far the trail is okay. This path is the beginning of the after registration office, and there is 1,600 meter elevation to gain, and I think 8 or 11 kilometers. I'm not sure, I have to check it again. And so this path you can take a Gojeck. Sorry, I forget everything. And to go the upper base camp. But yeah, I started from here, and there are big bamboo trees here. And yeah, so far so good. Let's go. So the first half hour path was easy. It still takes your breath away, but relatively easy, low slope. I think I made already 3 kilometers or more. Yeah, let's continue. I don't know what are these, but this path with these bushes, it smells so good. It's like a very, very delicious tea. Yeah, probably it's tea, I don't know. Yeah. The weather is nice. In sunny parts you get sweaty, but like in shadow it's perfect weather. So there is a campground with a restaurant and supermarket in elevation 1,700. So if you don't have enough water, you can just or food, you can just have it here. I think that should be Gunung Panderman. It's another mountain that is not that as high as Buthak, but it's still, yeah. The path is slowly getting steep here, and yeah, I will try to rest at altitude 2000 and have some fruits. Yeah, maybe in 20 minutes, half an hour. So this is a nice place with huge trees. I'm gonna rest here. It's been 1.5 hours that I'm climbing, and I did 5.3 kilometers distance and more than 700 elevation gain. I still have 5.7 kilometers to go and 870 meter elevation. So almost half. It's good. So the path is relatively the same. It's very dusty, as you can see my clothes. And 2.7 kilometers left. It's been 2.5 hours, and also 540 meters elevation left to gain. So yeah, it's been good so far. Finally, fog is coming, and it's a bit cold now. So this part is a bit different vegetation. 200 meters left to reach the top, and maybe 1 kilometer, like in total 47 minutes based on organic map. Almost 180 meter elevation, the peak, and this beautiful view. This part is very beautiful with many beautiful trees and bushes, clouds and fog. It's not that cloudy, so it's not that cold, and it's still, the path is relatively good. So let's go. direction. It's almost 60 degrees. Yeah. And yeah, this is down and almost there. 40 meters to the top. Yeah, finally I reached the top, and this is the view. Not so much view, so that's the I think Mount Arjuna, the one that is you need registration 3 days before and it's very expensive. Yeah. This is another way to go down. It seems much more beautiful and better view, and I'm not sure if you can see the city there and Arjuna mountain there. Yeah, there. Very beautiful forest. Where you can find such a beautiful scenery. Look at this. It's amazing. So in this part there is a drinkable water. Local says you can refill your water. So it's just before the peak. So yeah, if you are running out of water, you can just fill it here. What a beautiful scene. Look at the size of the mushrooms and the color. I think my second boot also, yeah. I have to buy a new boot. Amazing view. Part of the trail. So I'm near the registration office, maybe 20 minutes. It's getting dark. This was the most endurance summit I had. 23 kilometers in total and 1,600 meter elevation. It was nice, and maybe in the background you can see the lights from the city. And it's been a nice day. Yeah. Okay, that's it, I think, for today's hike. See you on the next one. And this is registration office. You have to check out after you finish and show them your garbage, which is I think is a cool thing. Yeah, finished.